Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve the question number 12 of HackerRank SQL challenges, which is Weather Observation Station 7. So the question is, query the list of city name ending with vowels A, E, I, O, U from a station. Your results can't contain duplicates. So we have to retrieve or extract all distinct city name whose last character ends with vowel. So similar from the previous question, we can write the query as distinct city select distinct city from station where, and here we will write of city 1, and this write function will give me the last character of the city name, and we want it to be from station, we want it to be vowel. So here I will write all the letters A, E, I, O, U. And now let's try to run the code. Yeah, and we can see that our answer is right. And finally, we can click on the submit button. So thank you for watching this video.